welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So today's video I'm going to be doing a misguided beauty review. I don't think I would ever say this, but I bought a foundation of Misguided and also the brow marker, so I'm going to be trying it out and giving you guys my honest review because I did purchase this with my money, so it's going to be honest. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get right into it. So this is the Misguided Meet Your Match foundation and it comes in 25 shades. I got number 25, but looking at the bottle, it looks a bit darker for my complexion, so I hope it's going to be okay. So this foundation states it's a buildable medium coverage in a demi-matte finish with a radiant diamond powder pigments. Whew, that's a lot to say. But a demi-matte finish is basically a perfect blend between a glowy foundation and a dewy foundation, so it gives you that natural skin-like glow. It also says it's long wear and transfer proof, so I won't be doing a long test today, but I'll check out if it's transfer proof and let you guys know. Also, this foundation is vegan and cruelty free, so that is a plus for me. So yeah, I'm gonna try this out. I haven't opened it yet, so this is like my first initial impression. So before I start, I just want to quickly prime my face. I'm gonna do that right now. So I got shade 25 because it's for the darkest skin tone with a neutral finish. And for me, I can wear both neutral and warm undertone foundations. It also states it's a medium coverage, but it's also lightweight, so I believe you can pile it on and it'll still give you that flawless look. I hope you guys can see it, but this is how it looks like. It's quite dark and it has this ashy undertone to it. Oh wow, this is too dark. Can you guys see that? It is way too dark for my skin. Guys, this foundation is too dark. It will definitely snitch on me. Can you tell the difference between my face and my neck? I look mad. I look really mad. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's super lightweight. I can definitely feel like it's lightweight. It feels almost like a BB cream than a foundation. So, oh. This is just terrible. I don't even think this is my summer shade. This is way too dark. Guys. Like, you can tell from a mile away that I have foundation on just by looking at my neck. It is lightly scented, but it's not too strong. I'm gonna come up close so you guys can see what is on my face right now. I am not excited. I am not really pleased right now. I just put it on my eyelids so you can't really tell my skin tone. So yeah. I don't even think blending it down my neck will actually help me in this situation. Unless I'm wearing a turtleneck, then no one can tell the difference. So I'll fully apply the foundation on my skin, and as you guys can see, it's not the right shade for me. Like, it's definitely a wrong match. But I hope once I put the concealer underneath, it's going to hopefully look decent. I'm sure you guys can tell this foundation is not completely matte. It has this sheen to it and I do like it. It's a healthy glow. So, and also I did put a lot of pumps. I put about 3 pumps on my face and it definitely feels super lightweight. I think I'm gonna go heavy with the concealer under my eye. So now that I've blended my concealer, I feel like this foundation is workable in a way, and also it was very easy to blend out my concealer. It didn't leave any streaks because the foundation is so dark. Guys, can you see it's giving me a contour line already, and also on my nose. Don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, it's definitely giving a contour line. So I guess if all fails, I'll use this foundation as a contour. I look super ashy compared to my neck. Oh my gosh. So So I'm just gonna set my face right now. I don't really buy a lot of MISSGUIDED Beauty products, so yeah, I'm just gonna use what I have right now. I'm just lightly powdering under my eye because I don't want to take away the natural glow the foundation has. So I'm just gonna lightly. So I feel like the powder's definitely made a difference. It's not as ashy. It's giving me more of a yellowy undertone under my eyes, so thank you. So I'm gonna move on to my eyebrows. So I picked up the Brow You Doing brow marker. And guys, I love the packaging. Again, it is so sleek and beautiful. Can you see it? So this brow marker is £9, so it's quite affordable. And also it comes in 3 shades. So I got dark, but I know there's a light and super dark. I feel like there's a medium, but when I went on the website today, I couldn't find it. So maybe it's sold out, but if not, I'm very sure they should have a medium. I know MISSGUIDED has 2 eyebrow pencils. They have the marker and also the micro precision pencil. Because I usually use a pencil, I just wanted to try this. So this marker has a fine tip, and this is perfect for when you want to create that natural hairline strokes, and it's also perfect for when your eyebrows are a bit gappy, so make them look a bit fuller and just natural looking. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I hope you guys can see. Again, it's very bright, my camera, but that's how thin. I kind of wish the marker had the spoolie at the end, but that's okay. So I'm just using my normal eyebrow brush to brush my eyebrows up before I fill it. I've never used this before, so I hope it works out well. Okay, so it says draw lines. Ooh. Okay, that's a fail. So my eyebrows are quite thick already, so I can't really tell if it's making a difference. All I know is that it's made it a bit darker, and yeah, I don't know if this is me. I'm just gonna quickly brush my eyebrows and see if I need to fill it out a bit more. But guys, I don't think I'm doing it well. I really don't think I'm doing it well. I definitely like the hairline strokes. It's something I really like when I see it on Instagram. I think it's really cool. But yeah, I just need more practice, clearly. So I'm gonna try and conceal under my eyes, and hopefully that helps me, because right now it's just not working out. That looks so much better with the concealer under the eye. I think that's what I needed, just to see what I was doing. Right now, it just looks good. It looks good. So if you're going to use the brow marker, I would definitely recommend using a concealer under your eyebrows. You don't necessarily have to do the top part, just the bottom. And it makes all the difference in the world, because before, I'm sure you guys saw, it was looking a mess. This looks really good. I like how natural my eyebrows look, and yeah, can you guys see that? It definitely made a difference. It made it more fuller, and I love it. I love it. This is a must buy. It's a must. Okay, so I know they have bronzers, but I didn't pick up the bronzers because I know for my skin tone it won't be dark and it won't really show it on my face. So I didn't get that, so I'm just gonna go and do my makeup how I usually do, and then come back and show you guys how my foundation looks like and if it's held up. So I'm back with the finished look, and I actually quite like this foundation, especially the finish of this foundation. I feel like it's super natural, and guys, when I tell you, it feels like I have nothing on my face. It's super lightweight. So I'm gonna quickly talk about the foundation, the pros and the cons. So the pros of this foundation is it's super lightweight. I feel nothing on my face, even though I have my concealer, I have my powder. It literally feels like my skin. And also the finish of this foundation is beautiful. It's almost like a satin natural glow. I'll definitely recommend this foundation for a combination skin. I'm not entirely sure about an oily skin because I don't have that. This is definitely going to be one of my go-to foundations when I'm running errands. It's super lightweight, guys. I just can't stop saying that. So moving on to the cons, I don't really have a lot. It's mainly to do with the swatch match on the website. I feel like they need to go back and take another picture to label it properly, because the numbers on the foundations do not add up, because 25, according to what they had said on the website, is meant to be light. So yeah, I don't know if I can use this on an everyday basis. I might have to get another one, a lighter foundation. But I might use this for my contour at the moment, because as you guys saw earlier on, once I applied my concealer, you could definitely tell on my nose and also my cheek area that the foundation is quite dark. Apart from that, I have nothing bad to say about this foundation. I'm gonna leave all my foundation shades below, so if we're about the same shade, I would avoid number 25. So moving on to the eyebrow marker, I really do like how full it's made my eyebrows look, but I did struggle in the beginning on how to apply this marker. So if you're new to using a marker for your eyebrows, I would definitely recommend trying it out at home, because the worst thing you can do is to try this when you're in a rush to go out somewhere, because you could easily make a mistake. Kind of wish it came with a spoolie, but apart from that, I do like this. I'm definitely going to be using this from now on. So that's it for this first impression makeup review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you haven't, I would recommend maybe trying out these Misguided Beauty collection. Especially this eyebrow pencil is literally my favorite. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment, like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys later.